Okay children, welcome back to exercise 15.2 class 8 question number 2. Draw the line passing through 2 3 and 3 2. Find the coordinates of the line at which this line meet the x-axis and y-axis. This is given in the question. Okay, first point is what? 2 3. So on x-axis 2 and you have to go up till 3 on y-axis. Second point is 3 2. So go up, pick up the 3 on x-axis and go up till 2 on y-axis. On joining these 2 points, if you join these 2 points and you extend this line to the x-axis and y-axis, we found the coordinate of x-axis is 5 0 5, and the coordinate of x-axis always will be the x-axis number and 0 of y-axis, and the coordinate of this y-axis will be on x-axis it is 0 and till 5, that means 0 5. Okay then, I hope you would have understood this question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Yes children, write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figure. जहाँ जहाँ ए बी सी डी के लेटर दिए हुए हैं उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होंगे, यानी कि एक्स एक्स एंड वाई एक्स की वैल्यू क्या होगी. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल सी दैट ऑन ओ, सो ओ से शुरू करते हैं हम. सो इट्स वैल्यू इज 0 ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, 0 ऑन वाई एक्सिस. ओके, देन ए, ये वाला पार्ट पहले कर रहे हैं हम. दिस विल फिनिश फर्स्ट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, देन ए, सो एक्स एक्स के ऊपर 2 एंड वाई एक्स के ऊपर का नंबर ये 0 मिलेगा, बिकॉज हाइट इज नॉट देयर 2 0. ओके, दिस पॉइंट लाइज ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस, so 2 and y axis number is 0. Okay, then b, so you can now easily say that b x axis की वैल्यू 2 है and y axis की वैल्यू 3 है, so this will be 2 3. and c, x axis की वैल्यू 0 है एंड वाई एक्स की वैल्यू 3 इटसेल्फ है. ठीक है बच्चे, तो इस तरीके से हम कोऑर्डिनेट निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ पी, पी इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लुक फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सेस. पी कहाँ पर है, तो 4 एंड 3. ओके, 4 3. यू हैव टू राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एक्सिस फर्स्ट. क्यू, so x axis 6 and y axis 1. R, x axis 6 and y axis 5. You can see children here. S, x axis 4 and y axis 7, like this. Okay children, likewise you can find the value of LM K. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 says state whether true or false. State whether true or false. Correct those are false. Okay, first is a point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero number will lie on y-axis. Yes, x coordinate is 0 here and any number on y-axis that will lie on y-axis only, so that's true. Then a point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 will lie on y-axis. So y coordinate is 0, that means here, and x coordinate is 5, so this will be the final point here. It says it's lie on y-axis, but that is wrong, so it is false. So we have to write this: the point will be on the x-axis, not on y-axis. Now third number, the coordinate of the origin are 0, 0. Yes, origin is here. This is called origin, beginning point of the x-axis and beginning point of the y-axis. This is called origin, and its coordinate is x-axis is 0 and y-axis is also 0. Origin. This is called origin. So third number is true. Okay children, enjoy the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.